mushroom and mixed herb, flatbread, tomato, pizza, homemade pizza style. Let's go. So, heat's on, I'm going to get the pan on. I want to get the pan nice and hot, fry my mushrooms on. I'm going to pre-cook the mushrooms before I put them on top of the flatbread. A little bit of oil. Can you see? Let's have a look at this. Have a look at the action. So, mushrooms. In half, and we'll slice them down quite thinly. There's one. Two, and how big's my flatbread? That big, so I think two is going to be plenty. Okay. Okie dokie, I need a little bit of salt. Where is my salt? So we're just waiting for the pan to get nice and hot. I've got a little bit of oil in there. So when the oil is hot, it will start to shimmer slightly, and once it gets to that shimmering point, then it goes to a slightly smoking point. When the oil is really hot. So we also have some fresh herbs that we put on the pizza. We have some basil. I have some oregano. And I have some chives. So the pan is now at a smoking point, and it's starting to smoke. So what I want to do is, I want to cook the mushrooms, aren't I? Let's just try one. There you go, sizzle. Get them all in, flatten them down. Let's get the sizzle on. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in. I've done a lot of salt because I'm going to put cheese on the pizza, and the cheese is quite salty. Ooh. Okay. That's a good amount. So whilst I'm waiting for the mushrooms, what I'm going to do is cut my herbs down. Let's get a spoon. Lovely. They're coming on nicely. Right, chives. Right, cut them in half, bunch them together, and then cut them quite small. There we have nothing else. Lovely. Okay, the mushrooms are pretty much there, I think. Okay. So the mushrooms are cooked. Fair enough. Give me a bowl. Keep all those juices, because I can drizzle those on. Drizzle those on as well. There we go. Lovely. Okay, so mushrooms are cooked. We've got the mushrooms. I'm just going to dice a few herbs up. So I've got some chives there. This is the oregano. So I'm just going to run my fingers down, take the leaves off, the stalks. Look. Run the fingers down. And the leaves come off. Not too much oregano. Well, you know, yeah, why not? Because it's quite strong, but you know. Okay, and then we're just going to try and bunch them up slightly, and then go across. Lovely. So we've got chives, we've got that, and I'm also going to do a little bit of basil. That much? Quite a lot of basil. Okay, lovely. So again, let's get those bunched up and across, and then we're just going to slice them quite finely. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. I reckon that is. I reckon that's enough. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to give them a quick mix up. Now we have basil, chive, oregano, herb mixture. We've got mushrooms cooked. We've got some cheese ready. Also got a little bit of parmesan on. Bit of flatbread. Got my tray. A little bit of greaseproof. Got my flatbread. Done them yesterday. No, I didn't do them yesterday. That's a complete lie. I made them earlier today. Got a big batch because I was going to do quite a few flatbreads. So, yeah. So anyway, I pre-done them. Anyway. Rewind. Okay, got my flatbread. Gonna take my flatbread like this. Tomato sauce on the top. Tomato sauce. Okay, just spread that around. Like so. There we go. Bit more there, a bit more around there, around there. Okay, so tomato sauce on the flatbread. Mushrooms. They're a little bit hot. Where's the spoon? No dramas. So we've got the mushrooms, we're just going to spread those around. Like so. I'm going to put let's put some of them herbs on now. Quite a few herbs in there. I want this to get the real taste of those fresh herbs. Okay. Then I'm going to put a few more mushrooms on there. Let's try and fill in the gaps. Okay. A few more herbs. Get them around. Okay, look at that. I'm liking this one. So this is there we go, see that? Herbs on top, mushrooms on, herbs on top. Got a little bit of cheddar cheese. Put cheese on top. Like so. And I've also got a little bit of parmesan. So I'm just going to get that over the top as well. Let's go with Chefy. Okay. So, tomato sauce on the flatbread. I've cooked the mushrooms off, got the mushrooms on. I've got a mixture of oregano, chives and basil on there. More mushrooms and some more cheddar cheese on top with some parmesan grated in the oven for 5 minutes. Mushroom, herb, tomato, flatbread, in oven, 5 minutes. We're going to take it out now because it's just had a look and it's looking lovely. There it is, on the tray. You see that? Come on, get off the tray, probably easier. Let's gonna get us a little more jammed on that tray. See under there? There we go. Got it off. I think this is a really, look at that, colours, they've all melted. You've got the green, you've got the red, you've got the mushroom, you've got the cheese caramelised on the top. And you can eat it as well. So I'm just going to cut it in half. And oh, plates are all falling over. It's a domino of the drying plates. Okay. So cut it in half, we'll cut it in half again. So we've got 4 quarters of the flatbread pizza. Okay, I'll just put one there. So we can just have a look on the plate, closer look. 2. Use the rim of the plate to get the edge of the pizza. So it's round, kind of. If it'll fit, Oh, there we go. Tell you what, let's just kind of, there we go. Oh, go on. Oh. Okay. So there we have my mushroom, tomato, and fresh herb flatbread. Thank you.